The Flying Locksmiths has been in business for over 70 years. We have close to 70 locations at this point, and we've been doing it for a long time. We're able to scale up to our customers' needs, and we can do that effectively, and that's how we can meet their unique requirements.
When you have a project of this size and magnitude, the more you plan, the better it's going to go. And I think we did a really great job communicating with Brookdale and the TFL and the factories to make sure that each week we had a list of what was going well and what we were having challenges with. And by staying on top of that every week, we were able to work through the challenges each week so that when we got to the facility, we had a really good idea of what was ahead of us.
One of the things that was most important about this was the ability to scale. And so how we accomplished that is we teamed together 3 different parts of Flying Locksmiths, independent businesses from Tampa and both 2 parts of Houston came together, and we brought our resources, our technicians, our skills, and formed one team to bring 10 people to this project so that in 3 days we could cover the entire property and execute according to the plan.
You have to be precise in understanding what the customer wants. Once you understand what the customer wants, TFL can more than accomplish whatever those goals are, and you're managing to the customer's expectations so that they're never disappointed.